Okay, so in last sessions we have created what? We have done loading data from on our on-premises to Snowflake. Okay, so here we have to create the table. After creating the table, we need to create the stage, and first we need to put the data into the stage. Okay, by using put command, we put the data into the stage. Then we load the data from stage to, then we can copy the data from stage to table. This is what we have done now. Okay, and also how to put the data, and also how to read the data, and also file format. We can create a file format once. Whatever the file format we create, we use at any time. Okay, so today some more interesting things. Let me share. Okay, just go to home option like projects, whatever. Okay, data. So this is what database we have created. SFTP. Inside this SFTP, SF schema. Inside this SF schema, we have created different tables like EMP, EMP1, EMP2, EMP3, EMP, ERR. Okay. You can go to if you go to home, right? Here we can see, okay, what are all the different worksheets. Okay. This is a worksheet where we are working in the last session. Okay. So we'll start from this part. And also as a part of last session, what we have discussed, okay, for example, if I have a error data, if I have a data which is having some errors, so what we can do, for example, what here I have created one table. What is the name of this table? What is the name of this table? EMP means a table with what? Here, high date is a date data type. Okay. But I try to load the data. When I try to load the data, let me see this. First of all, so guys, if I want to see what are all the stages available in this worksheet, like in this schema, how I can check what are all the stages, how I can check. Simply, I can write now show stages. Okay, show stages. If you run this, see guys, these are all the stages which we have created. What is that? EMP stage, my stage, SF stage, like that. Different stages we have created. Now, if I want to read the data from any of this stage, how I can do?
Select $1.
Yes, exactly. Last time in which table, which data, that ERR, error data we have loaded. Anyone remember? In last session, EMP stage or my stage or SF stage? I think EMP stage. This is what we have created on which date? 2024, 12, 19. Yes, 19. This is the stage we have created. Okay, fine. Let's see what is the data available. What is the data available? Okay. What is the data available? How I can check? Select $1, comma, $2, comma, $3, comma, $4, comma, $5, $6, $7, and $8. 8. From where? From at the rate, which stage? EMP stage. You can copy here and paste it here. Okay. It will be easy for you. Let's check. See, this is our data, right, guys? This is what error also. See, these are all the correct records, which are, this is a pattern understand by Snowflake as a part of date. But here, some are different, right? Okay, so when we try to load the data, when we try to load the data, we are getting errors. So I'll show you that part again. See guys, I will create or replace. Again, I will create this table. Okay, let's create this table. Create or replace table, EMPRR. Create. Already created, but since I have written a syntax, what create or replace means if it is already existing, it is going to replace. Okay. See, EMPERR successfully created. Now, if I want to check, is there any data in this table or not? How I can check? Simply by giving select star from EMP. Okay, select star from EMP. See guys, there is no data. Okay, let's see what I'm doing right now. There is a table called EMP Okay, EMP So I have a data in a stage. Okay, I have a data in stage. What is the name of that stage? What is the name of that stage?
EMP.
EMP
EMP stage.
EMP stage. Okay, EMP underscore stage. Okay, so now I want to load. How I can how I can load the data, this EMP stage data into EMP file by using what? Copy command.
Copy.
Copy command. So let me do that. Copy into what is the table? EMP underscore ERR. Okay, copy into table from at the rate. Okay, from at the rate from at the rate EMP stage. Okay, and also we need to give what? File underscore format, right? File underscore format. Already I have a file formats, guys, that I am using. Okay, if you forget, is there a file formats or not? How you can check? You can simply give this command. What? Show file formats. Okay, if you give this now, incorrect spelling. Yeah, we have what? CSV format, my CSV format, like that you have. You can use any of this format. Okay, file format equals to CSV underscore format. Okay, just right. See, it is saying what? It is saying what? EMPERR.com line 3 character 25 row number 2 hide date. I'm getting error what guys? Hide date. Okay. There is a error with what? There is a error with hide date. Okay. This is what problem. Now, yesterday in last session, I told you guys, okay, some records are correct records. Some records are having some error. Now, if I want to load only correct records, but I want to skip the error records, how I can do? Means while I am copying, I have a lot of data. I want to copy only correct records. I want to skip the error records. So how we can do? On error. We have one option, right? On error. On error equals to what? Continue. If I give on error equals to continue, what will happen? Let's check. See guys, data loaded. Okay. So if I try to push 15 records, if I try to what? Push 15 records, how many it got loaded? Only 6 records are loaded. How many errors? 9 records are error records. So what are all those records means? What is the error means? Date 05/01/1991 is not recognized. Okay. It is not recognized. Now you check, is there data loaded in the table or not? How many? Okay. How I can check? How I can check? Select star from EMP underscore ERR table. See guys, only 6 records. Only 6 records got loaded. Okay. So how to overcome these problems? Okay. How to handle errors? How to handle errors? Okay. Or else you can also think like that. How to do, okay. Some transformations. Okay. Some transformations 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 in stage. Guys, just you see, I'll show you again what is the problem here. If you see that data, what is the problem here, why it is getting error? If you read the data here, see, it is not understanding this pattern, right? 11 hyphen 17 hyphen 1971 is working. I mean, this, okay, this 05, okay, 01, it is not recognizing. What is the difference? What is the difference?
The format of it.
This format, okay. If I can change, if I can transform this format into this format, means this format into this above us format, problem will be solved now. Okay, you know, right, guys, there are so many functions. Okay, there are so many functions are available. I can use that function. Now, first of all, while I'm reading only, I will check. See, what is a column name? What is a column number? Which column that is? Hire date $5 means fifth column. In $5, what I do, I write some function replace. Okay, replace. Guys, you remember, right? Replace function in SQL sessions. Replace. Okay, I'm going to pass this $5, comma. I'm giving what? Wherever I have what? Slash. This one. Okay. I want to replace with what? No, no. I think, yeah. Wherever I have this one, I want to replace with this symbol. Okay. So try to understand the logic, guys. Let's create some space if you want. I'm just doing what? For $5, just to focus on this part. What I am doing? I'm using the replace function for which column? Fifth column. What I am giving, wherever I have this symbol, I want to replace with this. Okay. Just do this. Now check. Is it changed? Can you see this? Since I have given this column in a function. Now, if I load this, I hope I won't get any error. Okay. So before that loading, I want to truncate this table. Truncate means already I have some data. See, already I have 6 records. Okay. I'm going to remove the data in these 6 records. Let me do that. So how I can truncate? Truncate table emp underscore err. If I do truncate now, what will happen, guys? Table will be there. Table inside, okay, think that this is a table. Inside the table, I have a data. If I truncate now, okay, if I truncate, what will happen? This own table will remains, data will be removed. Okay, that's what I want to keep the table, but I want to remove the data. So that, or if you do truncate now, that will happens. Okay, just truncate this. Okay. See, guys, table got truncated. Now you check, is there any data inside this or not? See, there is no any data. Okay. Now what I do, I'll copy. I'll write the copy command. Copy into, okay, copy into which table? emp underscore err. From where? From at the rate. What is that? Okay, from at the rate. Instead of giving this, guys, what I will do? Instead of giving directly at the rate, okay, can I use this above statement? See, just let me know. Can you able to understand or not, please?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. See, copy into this table from select $1, $2. Instead of giving directly that stage name, I'm writing what select $1, $2, $3, replace of so and so. Okay. And also I need to pass the file format. File underscore format. Okay, file underscore format equals to CSV underscore format. Okay, CSV format. Now run this. See, guys, what happened? How many I tried to pass? 15 records. How many loaded? How many loaded? 15 loaded. Okay, so there is no any errors, guys. There is no any errors. Now you check the data is loaded into that table or not. Select star from emp underscore err. See, guys, what I mean to say now, in your, see, data is loaded. All 15 records got loaded. Okay. So what is the end of conclusion is, while you are loading, guys, while you are loading, okay, while you are loading, you can also do, if you have a data in this stage, you can also do some transformations as per the requirements. Okay. See this, which one? This, if the data is in a stage, it also supports some transformation logics. Okay, before loading into the table, we can apply the transformation logic, and with this transformed logic, we can load into what? Table. Okay, table. Is it clear to everyone?
But Shahrukh here,
Hmm.
in previous statement you are replacing, right, in AMP stage.
What?
So
Create statement.
no, no,
Ha
and
ha. Table.
previous ones, that select star, select,
Ha.
you are replaced with that in AMP stage.
This
So
one.
that has been replaced or that has been temporarily replaced.
This one. This one. No, no.
But
It is just
instead of
on
using
fly.
this statement completely, you would have used this EMP stage itself.
So
Select,
you.
sorry, copy from EMP, sorry, copy into EMPR
Uh,
from at the rate EMP stage. I
okay.
got it. This also we can do by the while running. I mean, on the go. Uh,
Okay.
so previous lines 119. Uh,
Okay.
yeah. So this has been temporarily replaced or it is permanently replaced?
No, no, it is just a temporarily. I mean, if
Okay,
I run this
that is
now,
why. Okay. But
okay,
still record is in that format only.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so what it will do on fly it will apply while it is loading
Fine.
now, while it is loading on fly, it will apply this function. As per this functionality, it will change the values and it will load.
Okay.
In
You mean
original, it will be same.
okay. Okay. On the way it will apply and it will insert the record.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Hmm.
Any others, guys? Any doubt? See, these are all the transformation logic. Copy command is a single one, but inside this copy command, so many things you should understand. Okay. Okay. See, guys, as a example, I have told only one function. Okay. Replace function. There are so many functions you can apply on the data which is available in the stage. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's continue some more things, guys. So how to create? Okay, just create. Just go and connect with the CLI. There are some thing we'll have to discuss. CLI. Okay, command line interface. Just give uh, command prompt. Just open your command prompt. Just connect. How you can connect that, you know. Okay, so just go to this your account. Okay, just go to the account. Okay. Okay, just let open this in anywhere. Okay, in this, I want only this part, guys, up to dart. Okay, so you have to give what? How you can connect? So many times I'm repeating this. Let's see how we can create. Just give right here. Just write Snow SQL. Okay, Snow SQL. Hyphen A means what? Account. Hyphen A means account. Just give a right click. Okay, press enter. Now it will ask username and password. Okay, user. User is what? Sharukh. And password. Okay. User is okay. I think it is going with case sensitive. Internal or external command operator. Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. See, again, I need to give what? SnowSQL. Sometimes if you give any error, right? SnowSQL. Okay. Hyphen A account details. Now it will again ask what? Username and password. Sharuk. password is it is connected, guys. Okay. See, I have given a password wrong. That's why it is again asked. Okay. So as of now, no warehouse is selected, no database is selected. Okay. So I want to work with the which database? SFDB. So just use database. Which database? Use database. Which database? SFDB. Use schema, which is schema, SF schema. Okay. Use database SFDB, use schema, SF schema. Okay. So guys, already some stages are available. How I can check what are all the stages available in the table in a schema? Just giving by show stages. Okay. Show stages. See, I have some stages called what are all the stages? EMP stage, my stage, SF stage, like that. Okay. Okay, fine, guys. So now what I will do, okay. As of now, what you have seen, guys, only you have created one stage. In that one stage, you have loaded what? Only one file, EMP different file. Okay. Now what we do, we create a stage. Inside that stage, we create some folder. Inside that folder, I want to create load some multiple files. Okay. I hope you are understand. Okay. Let me show you clearly. See, guys, I want to create one stage. Okay. I want to create one stage. Okay. Let it be stage name is what? Is there any stage called SF stage? Yes, SF stage is available. Okay, do one thing. Just remove this SF stage. Just remove this SF stage. It's okay. If I want to delete the stage, how I can do? See, guys, already there are some stages are there. I want to delete that stage. How I can do means there is a command called remove. Remove SF stage. Okay, run this. SF stage is available now. What is that problem? List okay, remove okay. I think it should work. Sorry, try drop stage. Just give drop stage. What is the name stage? SF stage. Okay, stage is dropped, guys. Means there it deleted. Okay, now you can check there is no any SF stage. Now what I will do, I will create one stage. Inside this stage, okay, I want to load some CSV files as well as JSON files. Okay, to load that, okay, it is like a folder, guys, in your system. Okay, you have a E drive. In that E drive, think that you are for your photos, you are creating one folder, and for any audio files, you are creating another folder. Like that, here also, I am creating one stage. Okay, to keep all the CSV related CSV data, I will create one folder, and to keep all JSON data, I will create another folder. The name also what I will give, just like CSV underscore files. Okay, and then here what we can do, JSON underscore files. Got it? CSV files and JSON files. All CSV files I will load here. All JSON files I will load here. How I can do? Let's see. It's also very simple, guys. Okay, see, very simple. Okay, so first let me create this stage. Let me create the stage. What is the stage name we have planned? What is the stage name? SF stage. SF stage. Okay, just let me take here. Okay, see, guys, create or replace stage. What is the name of that stage? SF stage. Okay, stage is created. Now let's go to where. So initially, let me load some data. Okay, which EMP data. Okay, EMP data. Okay, guys, can you see? There is a EMP4 file. Okay, there are so many files available. So what I do, let's take any one of the first. We will load the what? Which one? Anything is okay. Just to show. Okay, just go with the EMP3. How I can load this? I will select. Okay, I'll go to home option. I'll copy the path. Okay, now what is the command? How to load this? Put file. Okay, put file colon slash slash. Okay, and copy paste the path. Okay, at the rate, which stage, guys? What is the name of that stage? At the rate SF stage. Okay, SF stage. In SF stage, where I have to load. If I do SF stage now, directly it will load here. Okay, in SF stage, where I want to load this file. Okay, there is a CSV. I mean, like there will be some CSV folder. Okay, CSV file. Okay, so if we want to create now, just to give the path, guys, at the rate SF stage. Okay, slash. What is that? CSV underscore files. Okay, CSV underscore files. Now load. What is the problem? Put file clone colon user. Mhm. Is there gap between this one? Just wait 1 minute, guys. Can you please mute now before you speak? So, okay, put file colon colon user stages and also let me try this. I think this also will get error. Just give me 1 minute. Let me open that. We get the script of the created object and wait 1 minute. It's fine only. I think any problem with the correct only syntactically. Let's try another file. We'll check that. Dot CSV. Okay, there is a emp.csv. Okay, emp.csv. Just try to load this emp.csv file. Copied. Okay, let me paste it here. What is the command? Put file. Put file. And at the rate, what is the stage? SF stage. Okay, in that CSV underscore files is the folder. Okay, guys, it is loaded. Let's see. You have to notice something here. See, directly I didn't give what at the rate is SF stage, and also what I have given CSV files. There is a okay. Now you check how to check the data is available in the stage or not. How to check the data in a stage? How we can check? List, right?
Yes,
List at the rate which stage? My stage. Okay, my stage, not my stage. SF
SF
stage.
stage.
SF stage. See guys, clearly it is showing there is in SF stage, there is a folder called what? CSV files. Inside that CSV file, I have this emp.csv file. Clear? Similarly, I will load some JSON data into the JSON file. So how I can do means, this is also simple guys. Okay, just to go to the folder somewhere. Okay, so, okay, now emp.json file is available. Okay, I'll go to that file. Yeah, here I found this file. Select this one and copy the path. Okay, and this is also output file. Okay, put file / and paste the path. Okay, where I want to load this @SF stage. Inside this SF stage, what is the folder I want to create? JSON underscore files. That's all. JSON underscore files. Just load this. See guys, it got loaded. Now check what is the data available in the stage list what stage? SF stage. Guys, you can see here. Okay, there is a SF stage, CSV file, and also emp.csv gunzip. And second one is what? SF stage, JSON files, emp.json.gunzip. Is it properly loaded or not into a JSON folder and also CSV folder? It is loaded, guys. It's clearly loaded. For example, let me load one more file in CSV files. I want to load some, I have some CSV data. I want to load that CSV data into the SF stage of CSV underscore file. How I can do? How I can do? Guys, are you clear with what I am asking and are you aware? Okay. See, I want to load this data. So how? Put. Okay. So here I want to show you put file. Okay. Put file colon // where? SF stage. If I stop this, what will happen?
Loaded stage.
It will load normally in a folder, but not a particular this path. So I want to load this file there is a CSV underscore file. Okay. Now you check guys, list SF stage. Okay. So if you want to check only a data in that file, how you can check SF stage and also which data? CSV underscore file. Can you see? It is showing only a data which is available in SF stage. In that SF stage, there is a folder called CSV files folder. Here I have the two files, emp.csv, emp4.csv. I hope everyone is clear, guys. Okay, like that you can load multiple files. You can load multiple files in a stage. Now I have one question. Means this is the last option, copy command that we are going to learn. Okay, I have one requirement. What is that requirement? What is that requirement means? See guys, in stage, I have multiple files, but in the table, I have a table, but I don't want to load all the files now. In single table, I can't able to load what? I can't able to load what? All the files, right? Like CSV, JSON, everything I can't load now. Are you getting my point, guys? At least. See, here I have what? In this file, I have CSV data. In that CSV data, two files are available. Okay, and also I have a JSON data. In that JSON data, one file is available. But in this table, guys, which table? In this table, think that there is a table called EMP or okay, EMP table. I want to load only one file. Okay, I want to load only one file. I want to load only one file. That file also what? emp.csv file. emp.csv file I want to load. So how I can load only a single file? Okay, by generic, guys, by generic, see in copy command, by generic, if you give the stage name, what will happen? All the data which is available in the stage is going to load. Okay, so if you want to give particular, now, so let me show you guys. Okay, first let me show you. Okay, now it is data is available in the stage. Now now I'll go to where? I'll go to Snowflake. This. Okay, me go to Snowflake data loading. Here we do. Okay, now see guys. Okay, Snowflake copy command options. You can give some pattern. Okay, you can write some copy into, see here like files, and we can give the file names, or else you can give the pattern, means some regular expression. You don't know about the regular expressions, guys, don't worry, you can give the pattern also. Means I want to load only a data which is starting with emp, whose name is starting with emp. Like that you can give the pattern, or else particular file names. Okay, after giving the particular files equals to, there is an option called files equals to, you can pass the file name also. Now please everyone listen here. Okay, let me write list at the rate SF stage. List at the rate SF stage. See, I have a data. I have these three files, guys. I have these three files: CSV, EMP, EMP4, JSON. But I want to load only which file? I want to create one table. In that table, I want to load only which file? This one. Okay, this EMP dot. How I can do means, first let's create a table. Let's create a table. I think in above I have it. Added equals to, here also variable character only I will do. Okay, variable character. Fine. See EMPRR, instead of EMPRR, just create the EMP table. See guys, I'm creating again one table, create or replace table EMP. Okay, table is loaded. Okay, now let's see. I want to load the data from this stage to table. How I can do? Copy into which table? EMP table. From where? From at the rate, which stage? SF stage. Okay. Copy into EMP from at the rate SF stage. Okay. And also give the file format. File underscore format equals to which format? CSV format. Okay. So if I do, what will happen? All the data is going to load now. If there is a file which is having error, means you will get the error. But I want to load only particular file, right? What is the name of that file? This is a file, right, guys? SF stage CSV file, and I will copy this. Okay, I will copy and okay. Here this is one option, guys. This is one option is what here instead of giving all the name, just give I think exact part. Copy into EMP from at the rate so and so stage and also file format. Okay, this is one thing. Or else, okay, or else simply what you can do. Stage and also one more, okay, one more line you can write here. What? Let me check here. Yes, files. Okay, files equals to, what is a file you want to load, guys? What is a file you want to load? emp.csv.gunzip, right? Just give that name. which is a file emp dot csv dot gun. Okay. Now just check. Invalid value emp dot csv dot conc for property files. Why it is any spelling wrong? I think no. Just try with full name. Index error at line number 2, position 16, unexpected slash. Where is it? Wait. I think the error is since it is a file names, right? Yeah, file name should be in single quotes, guys. Okay. File name should be in single quotes. Remote file at the rate stage, at the rate emp stage was not found. Okay. Then you can queue csv underscore files, right? Name, folder name. Okay, it is loaded, guys. Let's see. It is loaded what? Even in my stage, I have what? Multiple files. Multiple files in the sense what? Like emp, emp4, like that, any files. Okay. So I want to load only CSV files, emp.csv. So just queue in a single quote. Now it is loaded. Only 15 records. Like that, if you want to give another file name also, you give that file name. Another file name, you can give that file name. This is one option. Or else, if you want to load the data, which is like EMP, whose names start or there is a EMP, right? There is a options called regular expressions, guys. Okay. Regular expressions. In these regular expressions, you can give the pattern. Pattern means starting with E or a second letter. If there is any name who is having EMP name, then all those files you should load. Like that, you can give the pattern also. Okay. Pattern also. Okay. See, I hope this is clear, guys. Uh, if not, means you can ask me what I have done. Like that, file names you can queue. Any doubts? Any doubts? I hope no. Okay. So let me discuss, guys. Once again, there is a okay. Stages means what? There are how many types of stages is available?
Two.
Two. Okay. Stages are two types. One is what? One is internal stages. Wait. Okay. It's time to discuss some more things. Okay. So the first one is what? Internal stages. Okay. And the second one is what? External stages. External stages. So when we use these internal stages means if we have a data in our on-premises, we will create these internal stages. Coming to internal stages, guys, there are three types of stages. Okay. First one is what? Named stage. Second one is what? Second one is what? Second one, there is a table stage. There is what? Table stage. And the third one is what? User stage. Okay. User stage. User stage. Guys, as of now, whatever we have done now, that is named stage, guys. Named stage. See, whatever we have developed, I mean, up to now we created the stages, right? Okay, all these stages are called named stages. Okay, we need to create. But this table stage and user stage, both are, they are default. These two are what? Default stages. Why we call this default means if you create any table now, if you create any table, automatically the table, it creates one stage that is called table stage. If you create any user in this account, right, that user is also having one stage that is called user stage. Okay, this named stage only we have to create. We have created now create stage name. Like that, we have to create this named stage. But these two are okay, table stage and also user stage. These two are the stages which by default created. When the table stage is created, for example, if I newly created any table, if I created any table, okay, if I create any table now, automatically this table creates automatically. I no need we no need to create. Okay, automatically one stage will be created. If I create any user now, if I create, okay, as of now, only one user is available. See guys, in one account, there are a multiple developers will work. So all these are will be considered as a users. Okay, we can create multiple users in a single account. Okay, so whenever we create a new user, okay, by default, one stage is created that is called user stage. For example, there is a one user I have created. Okay, we can create, guys. There is a concept called users, roles. Okay, some concepts are there, privileges. I mean, if see, this is a Snowflake. In this Snowflake, I am not only the person who will work, right? There are so many developers has to work, means so many users. So how to create a users, how to create a roles to them, how to assign a roles, that is we will discuss in upcoming sessions. So as of now, what I mean to say, whenever you create any table, by default it is going to create a stage that is called stable stage. Now whenever you create user, that user is also having some stage that is called user stage. Now what I will do, instead of using which stage, named stage means as of now we created, right, sf stage, my stage, like that. Instead of using that stage, I will use what? Table stage. Okay, table stage. How it works? Let's check. Is it clear, guys, what I'm going to do right now? What we are going to discuss? Okay, so this is very simple, guys. Table stage means you need to call this with what? At the rate. Okay, at the rate. What is the name of the table? For example, if there is a table called orders, then you have to give that table name. Okay, or else, for example, at the rate table means, for example, if there is a EMP table means I can call that EMP table stage as percentage of EMP. Let me show you. Let me show you. For example, now I want to load. There is a table available, right? What is that table? EMP table is available now. Guys, there is a EMP table is available, right? So I will create, let me create the table again. Okay. Think that there is no any data in this table. Okay. Let's create the table again. Okay, table is created. Now check, is there any data or not in this EMP table? Select star from EMP. See guys, there is no any data. Now what I will do, instead of creating new named stage, I will load data. I will put the data into the table stage. Okay, see, then I will copy the data from table stage to here. So how I can put, simple guys, just go and copy that path, emp.csv, emp.csv, copied path. Okay, emp.csv is copied. Okay, now let's see, guys. Put file. Put file. Okay. Okay. Let's see, guys. Just pasted the path. Is this the file I'm trying to load? Put right. So now I'm doing what? Okay. I want to at the rate. Okay. I want to load this into. I want to load. I want to put this data into a table stage. Okay, guys. Table stage. I have EMP table, right? In EMP table, I told you now already one stage will be created. How we can call that EMP means by giving what? Percentage, percentage. And also what is the name of the table? EMP. Guys, I hope you clear. What is that? Just, okay. Did I created any stage called EMP stage? I'm
No.
I'm asking, didn't create it. It is default. Okay. Whenever you create any table, automatically it will create some staging area. Okay. So that the name, how we can call that stage is by giving at the rate that table name. For example, instead of EMP, if the table name is orders, then what I will write? At the rate percentage of orders. If there is any department table means at the rate percentage of department. Okay. Just put the data. See guys, data is loaded. I didn't created any stage called EMP stage, but still it is available. Why? Because it is a table stage whenever, okay. Now you can copy the data from the table stage to, from table stage to table, okay. By giving which command? Copy command. Similarly, I will show you there is a user stage also, guys. User stage also. So it is also very simple, guys. What is the difference? You know, if you want to load the data through user stage, okay, just give put file, everything is same. At the rate, there is a delta, guys. Okay, on top of your tab button, there is a delta. If you give delta, that's enough. Can you see this? At the rate delta. If you use that now, here also you can load. It is just you just keep these points in mind, guys. Okay, there is a user stage, table stage, and also named stage. Named stage are the stages which we create and we load. This table stage and user stage are the default stages. Even if you want to check, guys, is there data or not? List at the rate. If I want to check in a table stage, how should I mention? At the rate that table name. Data is available. Similarly, if you want to check in a user stage, list at the rate. See, data is available. Okay. So I think we are good. We have covered almost all the options in a, okay, copy command with the practically we have seen, guys. Okay. So keep these points in your mind and think there is nothing to discuss in a copy command. Did I cover that? Okay. Okay, so guys, in next session, guys, in next session, okay, session. Okay, so as of now, what we have done, we have seen all the options, how to load the data from, how to load data from on-premises to Snowflake. Okay, Snowflake. And also in this, what we have done, guys, different options, different options, different options in copy command. In copy command, different options is available now. See, if already file is there, if you want to load the same file, force equals to true. If there is any errors, then on error equals to continue. And also there is a some more like um, okay, different how to create a file formats, and also what we have covered means different options we have covered, guys. Okay, and also different type of in stages. What is a table stage, user stage, named stage? Everything we have seen. And in tomorrow session, how to load the data from AWS S3, AWS S3, AWS S3 to Snowflake. Very important, guys. Okay, very important. So we will explore this, how to load the data from AWS S3 to Snowflake, and also after that, one by one, what is a snow pipe? Everything we will explore. Any doubts as of now? Just it's need to practice, guys. Okay. Uh, See, these two classes, this some of the classes only initially data loading part, you are feeling this. Next, almost all the theory parts only. Next upcoming sessions mostly are theory parts. Okay. Okay, Alaf, if you have any doubts, you can ask, or else we can leave for this day today.
Sharukh, can you please share that script, Snowflake script now?
This one, right? You are asking. I have done differently. Okay,
No,
fine.
no, not this one, the PDF, the
Uh,
notes,
I think PTF. Okay, I want to update, right? Okay. Let me update. Huh?
just like a SQL.
Okay. Fine. I'll do that. Huh? I'll do that. Okay, there is some Snowflake documented things also there that I will copy and paste it there. Okay, let me show you one thing. Um, internal stage data loading in Snowflake. Okay, I think you can, one image is there. This is, yeah, this one. Okay, see, you can create the internal stages. Files are there. Oh, this is get option, opposite to get option. Okay, wait. Put option is there. This one. Okay, I'll update. Okay, I'll update. See, we can load the data and also we can unload the data also. See, guys, if you create any table now, just this will be helpful for you. See, if you create any table, right, what is happening? Table stage is creating. Okay. By using put command, you can put into the named stages, internal named stages, and by using copy command, you can load into the table. This is one option. Another option is what? Whatever the files are there, you can put that files into where? Into the table stage. From table stage to you can load into the table. This is one more option. And one more option is what? Whatever the files are there, that files you can load into the user stages. From that user stage to you can load the data into the table by using copy command. Okay. And also there is a get is there, guys. Okay. This is loading part. Loading means what? Data is available in the snow on my local systems that I am loading into the Snowflake. This is one part. Now opposite to this, what is the next second part? Second part, data is available in where? Data is available in the where? In
Snowflake.
Snowflake. That is Snowflake data I want to download into where? Into my local system. That how we can do. That is very simple, guys. See how this is steps. Files you are putting into the stages. From stages to you are copying into where? Snowflake. This is opposite. Data is available. You copy the data into where? Into the stages. Are you getting my point? Into the stages. From that stages to by using get command. Guys, put command, opposite is get command. Okay. If you want to put from stage to, if I want to unload the data into local file, that is get command. By using get command, we can load. This is just a 10 minutes topic, guys. We'll discuss tomorrow or something. I hope you got some rough idea, right? Loading and also unloading. Okay. Okay, fine. I'll paste it this, okay? Okay. You please, guys, whenever you are reading now, just go through some documentations also, okay? How you can do, okay? Okay, then. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll continue tomorrow.
Thank you, Sharukh.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you.